Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP Checklists plugin on a Bitnami Stack that is installed on Linux operating system. So the very first thing that you have to do is to go into your Redmines folder, which in our case is 411, and then find the Linux manager run file. Here you have to click two times, double click. Okay, so now into the manage servers tab you have to click on start all. So this is going to start the database as well the web server. So now we just wait. Oh, we see that it is running now, so we have to just go and test if everything is correct. So we wait a couple of seconds ago because Redmine starts for the first time now. Okay, so yeah, we see it is running correctly, and by now we have a couple of plugins installed, and now we are going to install the checklists. Alright, so the next thing is that you have to open your command line and navigate into the Redmine folder. Here you have to execute the use Redmine file in this way, /use RedmineUp. So we are now into Redmine. Here we have to navigate to the core Redmine folder and then apps, Redmine htdocs. This is very important. Alright, so the next thing that we have to do is to go into your license manager if you have pro version of the checklist plugin and download it. Here it is. In our situation it is the latest one, 3.1.21 pro version. However, if you use the light free version of the plugin, then you could download it anytime from our site. You have to go to RedmineUp.com and then into the plugins section you have to search for checklists. And then click on download and the free version. Here you have to put your email address and the plugin will be sent automatically and instantly right away. Okay, so the steps for installation are the same for pro version and for light free version. So the very first thing that you have to do is to just extract the plugin here and then go into the inner folder. So you have to copy this folder, it is Redmine/checklists, and then you have to go back to your Redmine core folder and then go to apps, Redmine, htdocs, plugins, and here please paste it. Alright, so the next thing is to go back to your command line and execute the command bundle install. This command is going to install the required gems for the checklist plugin. Okay, so the next command is the migration command. It is very important here to set the correct plugin name into the name section. So in our case it is Redmine/checklists. And the very last thing now is to just restart both processes. Here is a button restart all, and we wait a couple of seconds until it has been restarted. So it is almost done. Yeah, it is restarted. So we are now going back into our Redmine just to double check it, make sure that the checklist plugin is successfully installed. So we refresh our page, and it is again going to have a couple of seconds for waiting because Redmine takes some time for restarting. So the restarting is ready and we see the Redmine Checklists plugin installed here. So it has been successfully done and installed on a Bitnami Stack on Linux operating system. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.